Okay, and sometimes if we make a loop, even your tension very high, it will open like this way. 看见了吧？Because it will open like this way because the paper is too dry. You need to put some water inside. If you feel after set the tension is okay, but the paper will be easy open because the paper is too dry. So you can find some clothes like this one. Put it in here. And you need to tap it. Keep some water on the top. So you can make sure this one the cloth is wet, so you can keep the paper is wet, so it's more easy to loop it. Okay, we run the machine. So this here you need to put something to lock it, and you can increase some water. Keep this one is in drying. Can you see? Now you see the paper here is wet. Okay? Can you see it here? Now it's wet. 对. Now it's drying, right? We keep the clothes in here. You see now it's wet. Okay. So you can add the water little. So this is the solution.